Which animal has the longest migration?
It's B, Arctic tern, flying over 40,000 miles each year.
Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans?
It's A, koala. Their fingerprints are so close to ours, even experts can be fooled.
Which animal sleeps standing up?
Answer A, horse, thanks to their special leg-locking system.
Which animal can see ultraviolet light?
Answer A, reindeer. UV vision helps them spot food in snowy landscapes.
Which animal has 3 hearts? What's your answer? Comment below and let's see who gets it right.